Welcome to the demo of our product, Hub, the integrations with online aggregators powered by Urban Piper. Hub is a platform to manage all the orders, menu, and promotions from multiple online aggregators in a single platform. The functionality and flexibility to perform any actions on the platform depends on the API availability concerning different aggregators. We can help brands in managing the aggregator orders through their existing point of sale without changing the same, or they can use the satellite application that we provide. We are currently working with 200 plus point of sales across the globe. The multiple actions that we support on the platforms are order relay, order status update, menu sync, inventory, and rider details. Quint is the dashboard given to the central team of the brand to manage the menu across the outlets. In the Stores tab, one can view the list of all stores. From here, you can create new stores or make changes to your existing ones. Clicking on one of the stores will take you to the store detail page. Here you can edit the fields as required. You will be able to define all the conditions or criteria associated with a store, like enabling store for ordering, exclude the store from any aggregator if the store is exclusive with a particular aggregator, associate the items or categories you want to sell at this store, and so on. We also support store-level pricing. The next segment is ordering, where all the menu or catalog-related configuration is done. Starting with categories, you can manage all your categories here. Fill in the details as required. You can associate a timing group to have a time-based category. Also, you can associate the items you want to be listed under this category here. Let's now see how to configure an item. Here's the list view of the item. Let me show you one that is pre-configured. In the item configuration page, you can configure the title, description, price, markup, which is a discounted price, image, associate category, food type veg or non-veg, tags like Swiggy Pop, EDVO, MFO, and so on. For any add-ons or variants, you'll have to associate option groups and options to the item. Moving on to tags, you can add the taxes here according to the location, items, and so on. The next segment is charges. You can create charges here and associate the same with the items or the store. The next segment is Hub. In the master menu, let me click on one of the stores. You can manage your item availability and item pricing here. Let's try changing an item and see how it reflects on the UI of the Zomato test store that's linked to the head office store on Quint. As you see, the Choco Latte price is now 100 rupees. I'll change the price from 100 to 150 rupees on Quint. This will now be added to pending changes. Then the system will prompt you in case you want to cascade the same changes to other stores. I'll skip this for now. You can check that the item is now showing in the pending changes section. Now to update these changes on the aggregators, we need to go to the next segment, that is platforms. In platforms, select the aggregator from the drop-down. Here we will choose Zomato. Select the store you want to make changes to and click on the sync option. The updated price will now be pushed to Zomato. Let's take a look at the Zomato store. As you can see, the Choco Latte price has now changed from 100 rupees to 150 rupees. The changes made are reflected on the aggregator in real time. You can enable or disable a store or an item from here. You can link the aggregator store URL in the configuration section on the platform store page to take the store live on integrations. Coming to platform discounts, you can set up the promotions only for Zomato. The other aggregators currently do not support promotion configurations through API. Let's check one of the pre-configured discounts. Here, you can set the title, description, platform, discount type, value, minimum order amount, one-time or multi-use enable, start or end date, and timing group. You can also restrict items and stores from the promotion. Next, we have ordering transactions under the Analytics segment, where you can view the list of all orders till date from all aggregators. You can add filters and date ranges to view the desired platforms and order status, and download a CSV report for the same. Let's move on to the reporting section. Here we have certain standard pre-configured reports which you can email to yourself. Some of the available reports are order transactions, item-wise order transactions, order summary, order status transitions, customer-wise transactions, store action report which gives you details of your store-level actions, online payment transactions, and so on. We have now completed the configuration of the menu and have also set up the store on the aggregator. Let's look at the complete life cycle of an online order. Let us start by placing an order on the Zomato store. The order is now placed. This order will now be pushed to the outlet's point of sale. In this demonstration, we will be showing our internal dashboard to help you understand how the order management takes place at the store. This is the order that we just placed. As you see, the order relay happens in real time. The operator will be notified with a tone every time there is a new order. As you hover over the order, you'll get the option to acknowledge the order or cancel the order. As soon as you accept the order, it will be moved from placed to in progress state. If you click on the order, you'll find the customer details if shared by the aggregators, order summary and its details. You can also set the status to mark food ready or completed from here. Brands can also automate the acceptance and mark food ready for orders. When automated, the order lands in the Urban Piper dashboard as an accepted order and can be marked food ready automatically at a particular time frame. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see the rider details if assigned, and the status log, which will show you the timestamp of every activity of the operator. One can also search for the order using the aggregator ID, POS ID, phone number, name, and so on. The rest of the order statuses will be automatically updated once the rider picks up the order. You'll find all the delivered orders in the completed state. This automatically gets updated when the rider marks food delivered in his aggregator rider app. We provide the satellite application to manage orders from the website or apps. It has two types of accesses, HQ and non-HQ. Through the HQ access, one can view or take actions on behalf of all the outlets or assigned outlets. Non-HQ access is limited to either one or a few outlets. Moving on to inventory. You can manage the availability of an item from here. You can select the store you want to make changes in. You can toggle off the items that are not available, and the same will be reflected on the website and apps in real time. In the Past Orders tab, you'll be able to see the orders that have come in for the past dates. In the Analytics section, one can view the store-specific analysis of revenue, total discount, and lost revenue. You can also view the order velocity trend, which helps you understand your peak hours of business. The below graph will show you the breakup of the order channel and payment modes in terms of volume and revenue. The last graph helps you understand the distribution of the orders in different states. In the Settings tab, one can change the notification tone, print settings, and so on. You can also enable Auto Bill Print or Auto KOT Print when the order is accepted. The store can be enabled or disabled from here. We also support surge time settings and hybrid delivery models on Zomato. That sums up the demo for Hub. Thank you for watching.